How to change Instagram chat theme back to default. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this following video, I'll show you guys how can you change Instagram chat theme back to default. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. But before that, make sure to update the application to the latest version. Now to begin with, what you want to do is open up your Instagram applications and log into your account. When you're logged in, you want to click the DM icon from the top right hand side corner and go ahead and open up the theme that you've changed it. So here you would see this is the theme that I've changed it and I want it back to the default. So click the initials or the profile name of the particular chat page and then you want to go to theme. As you click on theme, you could see a lot of options available. Since you want to go to default, you have to scroll down right to the bottom unless you find this option unless you find the color gradient. So you could see this is how it's going to look like. Here you could go ahead and click on any of these and it's going to go back to the normal. So that is the simplest way you could do it. Or that's the way you could change Instagram chat theme back to default. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.